I'm at Parkgate Street, walking towards Heuston Station and Séan Heuston Bridge on the right. My left foot's in a subtle drainage channel. Oh, there's a Luas right ahead of me. Fair play to him for beeping, because I would have gone straight onto the track, as the path and the road are at the same level. The path and the track are at the same level, so it's safe to go now. Now, drainage channel between the footpath and the track on the left. So, kind of gets stuck in the metal parts of the bridge, so I'm going to stay in the drainage channel, so it should keep me away from walking onto the track in error. But again, you can't really walk in this if you've a sore ankle. Again, it would be easy to miss this, so we're going straight. There's a railing, so we're just following the pedestrian safety railing, and these are these new cycle stands that are installed on the left hand side of the tactile paving. On the right hand side of the tactile paving, there's more of these Sheffield cycle stands, whereas here Dublin Bike Scheme have done it very well, and they have the Dublin City Bikes cycle docks on the road, so adjacent to the footpath with the curb, and they've seem to have quite a few bikes, maybe 20 or 30. Yep, all good. So Heuston Bike Scheme on the right. We've got these cycle parking stands on the left. Cane can go straight under, and if you walk past the tactile paving on the right hand side, somebody there, you're going to go straight into these cycle stands. That's a disaster. So anyway, we'll go to the right hand side here. There's a Luas passing over. The problem at the moment is there's no pedestrian crossing here, but hopefully, there you go, that's the pole for the pedestrian crossing the so hopefully that will be installed soon. So at the moment, crossing the road to the concourse on the Luas platform with all the vehicles going by, you really have to either wave or wait for a Luas. That's very sound. Thanks for intervening. Thank you, that's top class. And safe and sound. Thank you, here gentlemen.